Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 36 minutes, and you can see the for what I've been using my time for. You can tap on this specific section to check more details, more graphs. We've got the productivity and finance, other, and image. Let's go back. Here you've got also most used apps with the specific time you've spent on them. You can set the screen time goals, so if you decide that you are spending too much time on the on this device, you can set a screen time limitations, let's say, and your device will notify you that you're spending too much time on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.